ইলেকশন ওয়ান পার্টি ওয়ান লিডার। আর শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকাদের বলবো, আজকে 26,000 ছেলে মেয়েদের চাকরি খেয়ে নেওয়ার প্রতিবাদে কোনো শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকা একটি ভোটও সরকারি কর্মচারী থেকে শুরু করে আর বিজেপিকে দেবেন না, সিপিএম কংগ্রেসকে দেবেন না। এরা চাকরি খেয়ে নিচ্ছে, আপনার ভবিষ্যৎ খেয়ে নিচ্ছে। কে জানে কাল আবার চাকরি খাবে। এরা যত তাড়াতাড়ি বিদায় নেয় তত মঙ্গল, দেশের মঙ্গল। এরা কোর্ট কিনে নিয়েছে, সিবিআই কিনে নিয়েছে।
West Bengal will witness unpredictability, but Mamta still calls shots. When it comes to elections, different perspectives come up. A plethora of views is expressed, but my few days of research and surveys tell me that this time around, the state of West Bengal will see unpredictability. Even if we shun the clandestine BJP-TMC setting, voters will have the final say. There are various issues that matter, and among them, corruption of the ruling dispensation stands tall. But to write off Mamta Banerjee would be an uphill task. Time and again, she has been countering challenges ahead of the polls. As a political observer, Pradipta says, you never know. All these numbers game can change, because a major chunk of the electorate still trusts the lady because of the work she has done in the rural belt. As senior Congress leader Arunava Ghosh says, it is in the TMC's favor because the opposition do not have the wherewithal to reach out to voters. BJP's Shamik Bhattacharya, however, adds that BJP's numbers will go up, though Ghosh disagrees. Lack of a strong opposition has been a bane for West Bengal for years, which allowed the left front to rule for 34 years before Mamta entered the fray. Despite facing challenges, she continued to put up a fight and even launched her own party, walking out on the Congress. She made it count and was able to put up an alternative to the statures of Jyoti Basu and later Buddhadev Bhattacharjee. And yes, the Nandi Gram and Singur issue gave her an impetus, says a BJP supporter Parth Das Gupta. In West Bengal, it is basically Modi versus Didi, and the absence of talismanic local leader is helping Mamta. Unlike in other states where the Modi factor worked, in West Bengal, local issues matter, and so do local face. BJP doesn't have a credible local face, and that is the reason cricketers and film stars like Saurav Ganguly and Mithun Chakrabarti are approached to challenge Mamta. It is true that TMC is all about Mamta, and she still holds control over the pulse of the people. She dared to say no to the India alliance in her state over Congress MP Adhir Chaudhary's barbs at her. Like the BJP, Congress too lacks a credible face, and surprisingly, even National Congress leaders like Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are yet to hit the campaign trail in the state. And they also know that antagonizing Didi would be at their own peril. Even during the last assembly polls, where the TMC faced challenges from BJP, which spiked its numbers to over 75, Congress was mild towards Mamta. How can Sandesh Khali matter? Who is interested? You tell me, asks Ghosh. About the India alliance, it is a conglomerate of contradictions where the Congress, Left Front and TMC don't see eye to eye on several fronts. Left, on the other hand, is struggling to restore the confidence of the people in them. Having been a witness to the way they have been drawing funds, canvassing from door to door, it is a pitiable sight. A party that called the shots has no face, like former CMs Basu and Bhattacharjee. Old horses are still hanging around, and the new faces have failed to make it count. A mere brigade rally doesn't really matter. Young leaders like Satrup Ghosh and Meenakshi Mukherjee are yet to make a mark as trustworthy left front leaders. Their sole strategy to oppose Mamta and BJP is not potent enough to impress upon the masses and classes. Yet we dare to say that these elections could swing either way, because BJP has the money power, as a left leader Saswati Mondal says. Believe it or not, graft cases may have an effect. But again, in BJP, there is a lack of a strong contender to challenge Didi. TMC turncoat Suvendu Adhikari keeps on hurling personal attacks on the Banerjees, but he himself is embroiled in the Narda scam and his credibility is on the negative side. For some reason or so, experts feel sidelining former state chief Dilip Ghosh was a mistake. It was under his leadership that BJP won 18 Lok Sabha seats in 2019 and close to 80 assembly seats in the 2021 state polls. He has a strong RSS base and never cribs publicly. In an interview to a portal, he said he was happy at the responsibilities given to him, yet there are issues that hurt him. Given the current circumstances, TMC still has the edge, but a lack of strong opposition may give BJP a leverage to increase its tally. Several TMC leaders who left the party in the past have come back. Yes, there is an old versus new theory under the aegis of Mamta's nephew Abhishek Banerjee in the contention, but ultimately it is Mamta who has the final say and nobody would be audacious enough to challenge her. No matter what Congress and left say, they are reluctant partners forced to be together. In the past, their collaboration didn't yield results, and it is unlikely they can put Mamta on the mat this time too. Mind you, West Bengal is unlike other states where the flag of communal tensions flies atop. People know that letting BJP in would fan religious fanaticism, and perhaps only a disappointment with Mamta can give the BJP some edge amid the clandestine under-the-table dealing rumors. No matter what people say, Mamta is a much taller leader than Arvind Kejriwal and Hemant Soren, both of whom are incarcerated. Attempting to arrest Mamta over scams could boomerang, and sympathy wave would benefit the ruling party in the state. The Narendra Modi-Amit Shah Jodi would repeatedly campaign in Bengal, but to oust Mamta would be like daydreaming. Despite the corruption charges against her party leaders, she asks for votes for herself. Give me the vote. I am the candidate in all the seats. Her oratory skills, despite the gift of gaffe, make an impact on people. However, despite all this, it is the voters who have the final say, and you never know which way they will swing. It has happened in the past and it can happen again. This is the reason why one can say that these elections will be very unpredictable. Modi matters, but may not as much as Mamta, despite allegations galore against her party. Fingers crossed.